Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to many hearts, alopecia. We'll break down its different types, talk about what causes them, and most importantly, share actionable ways to combat with it. Let's start by truly understanding what alopecia is. Alopecia is a broad term for hair loss. But there's more to it. It's a spectrum of conditions, each with its unique attributes and causes. The most common type is androgenetic alopecia, often referred to as male or female pattern baldness. Genetics play a significant role here. In this type, hair follicles become sensitive to a hormone called DHT. Now, let's talk about alopecia areata. This one's a bit mysterious. It's an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks hair follicles, causing hair to fall out in small, round patches. Enter traction alopecia, a type caused by the way we style our hair. Tight hairstyles, constant pulling, and even extensions can lead to this. The constant tension damages hair follicles, causing hair to weaken and fall out. Family hair care is your ultimate partner. It will help you to keep your hair moisturized, repair damaged hair, regrow hair fast, improve scalp health, and it will also help you to treat alopecia. When it comes to styling, the gentle approach wins. Family Hair Care's styling formula respects your hair's fragility, enhancing your look without compromising its well-being. Begin your day with a gentle scalp massage. It stimulates blood circulation and promotes a nourishing environment for hair growth. Your hair loves a balanced diet too. Load up on nutrients like vitamins, proteins, and minerals. They're the building blocks of strong, healthy hair. Embrace protective hairstyles that minimize stress on your hair. These styles will protect your hair from heat damage. Even bedtime matters. Try to use silk or satin pillowcases. They reduce friction and keep your hair smoother while you sleep. Remember that alopecia is a part of your story, but it doesn't define you. Embrace your uniqueness and follow these tips to fight with alopecia and regrow your hair fast.